It is the end of day 8 of working on the Polyhouse, so it's nestled back in the bonsai zone here. So let's go have a look at the progress today. Today started off quite cool. Oh, there's Mr. Jones down there. Hi, Jonesy. Yeah, it started off quite cool in the morning, right around freezing. I never got too warm, you know, it was a cool day, but it was sunny all day, full sun all day. So we got a lot done on the Polyhouse here. So I'll show you some details. So what we got done today is, let me come over this side. We got the whole front face here finished, so it's ready to receive plastic. So each of these end sections here are fully boxed in, flat and level. And then up above, there's a middle panel that's also all framed around the edge. And then we put all these kind of blocks in here to seal off this opening here and above. So it's, yeah, it's all ready for plastic at the front of the greenhouse here. And that was always very awkward, you know, these benches stuck out and I had plastic attached to this, you know, door post here, and then I had to come out around this plastic, and it was always wrinkly and awkward and just terrible. So that is what we got done today. It was a full day of work. And then Nathan thought while I was watering the trees for tonight, he would take out the back window, and we've got to redo that so it's a little more out to be flush with the vertical panels on the side. Yeah, so that is, you know, coming along really nicely. And I think tomorrow, most of the framing is pretty well done. Maybe a little more at the back here, but I think tomorrow I'm going to start painting it all silver. So I'll get out the paint can, I'll start in early in the morning and just paint away. There's a lot of surface area. It'll take a while. But that's my task, I think, for tomorrow, is painting. With that full sun all day today, I've got some good strong growth in the greenhouse here. It was really nice in here today. I had the heat off, and because it's cool outside, like the high was I think 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Because it was so cool, it just stayed beautiful here in the greenhouse, and everything's just growing like crazy now. Yeah, it's really nice to see. Yeah. I sure like the look of the Polyhouse back here. Yeah, it's a nice looking building, I think. Yeah, so it's coming along very, very well. So that's the end of day 8. I will see everyone tomorrow for day 9.